How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can fix if TikTok's photo swipe is actually not working. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if TikTok's photo swipe feature is not working, the issue here is quite simple. Go ahead and launch the TikTok application here. And after you launch the TikTok app, you can just tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen. And then you can just allow the access to your uploads. After you do that, you can just tap the upload icon from the bottom right of the screen here and then tap the allow option again. And let's say photo swipe is not working. First of all, you just have to make sure that you select only photos and not videos. So from the top right, just navigate to the photos tab and then just make sure to tap the select multiple option from the bottom and then make sure to choose the photos you would like over here. After you choose the photos that you like, you can just tap the next option like this. After you tap the next option, whenever you post your photo or this particular slideshow, it is show up to swipe up like this, right? It is supposed to swipe just like this so that you can go ahead and then also add a music later on. But let's say this is not working, then what do you do? First thing that you can try to do is you can just come to the home tab, tap the profile icon. Then after that, tap the three lines option from the top right and go to settings and privacy. From here on, you can go to free up space and then just tap on cache files and make sure to clear them all. After this, open up your Play Store and in the search box type in TikTok. Check if the TikTok app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.